Hello, I hope you can hear me. My name is Alex Sane, and I welcome you to the first Fighting Corner trial event. And I'm joined by the boy Sulfura. Say hi to the people, man.
Yo, what up?
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so I don't have any confirmation if it works because I have, I only see the Discord screen. So can the chat please confirm if they can hear me right, if the music is okay? It's okay. How about the music? You want to see?
Yeah,
Yeah,
no camera for now. Maybe next
no
time.
cameras for now. Yeah, maybe we can work it out. I worked on some good ass overlays, so you're gonna see that. Music is okay. Okay, I think we can start then. So again, this is the Fighting Corner trial, the first of its kind, and it's a nice, I would say, unique event that we came up with. It's a set of challenges that people have to do in 2 hours, and yeah, we have different types of challenges. We have single challenges, collective challenges, and the mysterious secret challenge. So let's show the challenges,
Yep.
shall we?
Which one do you want to start first?
Let's start with individual.
Individual.
The single challenges. Here it is. Fighting Corner single challenges overview. The single challenges consists of it's 7 actually, but the last one, as you may already see, it's a secret one. So I can present to you the single challenges. So the first one is win with a magic pixel left. So we all know what the magic pixel is. It's when you have seemingly 0 life or 0% life. So yeah, that might happen sometime. So if you win, it's kind of like a comeback, right? Then we have win by chip damaging your opponent. As you already know, it's only possible with the critical art in the Street Fighter 5. Then the next one is successfully connect 5 V-breaks. So we're going with the new patch, so we have to use them V-breaks. But we also have the fourth one, which is interrupt 5 V-skills. So sometimes we want to see it, sometimes we don't. So
Yeah, so the fun thing is, while the one guy is trying to do the V breaks, the other one can try to bait them out. So there's some synergy going on here.
And you have to do them 5 times. It's the only challenges that you have to do multiple times. The other ones, once is already a completed challenge. Then win by timeout. So get you in a how is it called? Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff. He's going up. He's going that route.
In soccer, you know, we know Italians in soccer. We like to play on time. I can say that. And then the last one of the single challenges is the perform the Dan Infinite. I tried it yesterday. It's not that I don't know. It's not that easy. I thought it was easier, but nah. So yeah, but it's a challenging one.
I mean, if it's that hard, if it's that hard, and you get infinite in a real match in ranked, you can't be mad about that. If it's that hard.
If it's, I mean, you gotta have something difficult too, right? Give your boy a challenge. And I see DJ Kubi in the chat. How you doing? And the secret challenge here, you see in red, is something that I can't tell you right now. But after an hour of the event, I give you a hint. But if someone maybe can figure it out before, then yeah, you win. But I think it's not that obvious to get it.
It's a tricky challenge.
In the first, it's a kind of a tricky one. But after an hour, you get a you
have to clear the conditions.
Yeah. Okay, then let's continue with the collective challenges. There they are. So the collective challenges, it's more of a teamwork thing. So within those 2 hours that we are going to do the event, we want to see 20 critical arts at least So we can also go beyond. Perform 10 perfect rounds and perform 15 stunts. So this is a collective challenge run. So let's see if the community can reach those goals. And those are shown permanently during the event. The other ones we will always switch in between the matches. Okay. Yeah. So these are the challenges that you have to try and to clear. So let's head back to the invites.
Whoops. Sorry. Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties, yeah, because
I joined.
I lost.
I joined the voice chat instead of the text chat.
Okay, it happens. It happens. So for anyone who's wondering, I just lost the screen.
Yeah.
You have to share your screen again.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Okay.
Yeah, I can see shit.
There we go.
Okay. Full screen. Okay. So some technical difficulties, but it's all right. Okay.
Oh,
so
okay.
With
I'm getting help
with
here.
the names. Yeah, he's giving you the names. So
help.
Atomic Noggy, Kevin is free. I believe Actorus is also part, right?
Atomic Nagi.
Damn, whose theme is this?
I don't know. I have it set on random.
Shit's kind of bumping. Oh, Magintore is also already there?
Alright, so Kevin is free. I do not have him in my favorites. I have to fix that later.
It's PS4, man.
Oh yeah, PS4, yeah.
You got your favorites on PC. I see you.
Kevin is free.
I miss you all, man. I miss you too. I miss you too. It's already been a year. I think this March 2020 was the fateful day, the lockdown day.
Actarus, I do have Actarus. And Magintora.
Magintora.
I have to type that one.
Is he there? He said he wasn't home.
Well, Roberto is
I don't see him in the
giving me the
chat.
CFN, so I'm just throwing out the invites.
Just send the invite, man. If he comes, he comes.
Magintora.
And Hagrid beard, maybe.
All right, so we have.
Yeah, for your birthday, exactly 1 year. Yeah,
everybody
that's true,
here.
That's true.
Everybody except Magintora.
The Luxembourgish Belgian Actorus. Kevin is free.
Oh, there we go. We're complete.
Is here. Oh, the boy.
Everybody's here.
I think everybody's here. So we can start.
All right. All right, guys, you can start. Let's go.
Yeah, you can start if you're ready. Let's go.
Oh,
so,
Kevin is free, rocking that gold.
I see. So what's the time? 20:40. So I'd say 2 hours. So until 22:40.
Oh, Nogi went to get some water.
Water. Okay. He'll be back. Okay. For any of you wondering, this is part of the online gaming cafe. So in the videogames.lu Discord, we have voice chats for the Fighting Corner trials, and Rod is the TO or the admin for the text chats and voice chats. So he's gonna guide the players, and he's already telling us that Nogi is AFK in some sort. But yeah, okay, they switch sides.
Kevin just skipped him.
Yeah, okay.
Which
yeah,
I mean, we're not scheduled here, so
yeah, vi nog Kim skit förleden plats, so that's how it is. You already know.
Rocking them
Isn't
Luxembourgish
there like,
idioms.
Isn't there like an English?
I don't know.
English
I don't know actually.
Because I know there's an Italian one. Chi va a Roma perde la poltrona.
And the new follower, Atomic Nogi.
Oh, the boy Nogi. I see you. I mean, the Twitch channel is. I mean,
And
like,
Kevin is free.
5 days old. I mean, 5 days old. Do we have the overlays?
Yep. I'm just waiting on the match to start before I switch over.
Switch.
Oh, I have to actually. Oh shit! Oh.
No, not like that.
No, not like that. I'm new.
We are new, yes. Squad matches.
Who's left?
So
Who's left?
who's the
Kevin
camp player?
is
Kevin.
free against Actarus 07.
And
this is not scrub matches. This is gaming. No, this is
fighting corner trial. FC trial.
FC trials. That's
FC
it. Like
trial.
this.
You can already tell that we.
I have to find a
played
way
around
to.
a bit.
I have to find a way to edit those things while it's not visible. But that's for next time.
I mean, we'll learn it. We'll learn it. Ooh, rocking the.
Oh, the Ken.
The camp team.
Kevin playing. Oops. Get up. Oh, no, 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 go, go, no.
What happened?
Ah, how do I get away from here?
Oh lord, already fucking up.
Yeah, I am. No. No.
I can't keep up.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I hope they didn't do some V shifts, but I don't think so.
I haven't seen. Oh, neutral jump. Here we go. Kevin with that corner pressure. Nice buffer. Oh, we've dropped the combo.
I have no idea about the changes. I mean, I only know about the V shift. So.
I think they made Ken's combos more consistent.
I see.
And G got the big nerf. Damage from command grabs, nerf to hell.
Well, so Actarus has to work.
Yeah. All right, here he goes.
But he's rocking
Nice
Mania.
Oh, drop that meaty command grab.
The yee ass haircut. It's kind of a yee ass haircut.
Oh, here we go.
Nice.
Stun.
Stun? First
no.
stun?
The first. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Stun. Let's see. Stun.
Wait, stun.
We have one stun already.
And it's Kevin is free.
Kevin delivering.
Oh yes,
Nice
we have
anti.
3 rounds, I forgot.
Yeah,
It's first to 1, 3 rounds.
First to 1, 3 rounds. So we get the faster rotation.
Yeah. We already have like 4 to 5 people, I believe. Majintora, Nogia. So yeah, 4 people, I believe.
Alright. Oh, the low buffer and the YOLO DP right after that.
Why not?
I mean, he's playing Ken. I can't fault him for that. Alright, Actarus having life lead.
Can do.
But Actarus is having life lead now, so he's just chilling. Just chipping away that health.
Oh, nice interruption.
Oh, that would have been a nice CA if he had done that.
Would've. But it ain't.
It ain't. Oh,
nice.
Oh, magic pixel possible now.
We have.
No.
It could have gone with the chip damage.
Denied.
It could have gone with the chip damage. I thought that was the first challenge, right?
Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah. I was about to say, but yeah, it was too late.
Oh, critical odds. Here we go.
Nice.
Kevin delivering on those collective challenges.
Oh, hey, right back.
Hey. Right
Change
back.
Too, man. Oh, but we going in with the critical odds.
And the anti-air Shoryuken interrupted the overhead. Activation.
I have a choppy sound. I hope it's the Discord and it's not the... somebody...
I have no drop frames, so it should be okay.
Okay. Just okay, it's just on my side then. So...
Oh, unlucky.
Unlucky, yeah. But I mean, we got 2 critical odds.
Yeah, we got 2 already. It's
One's
like
done.
10% already done.
But I think in terms of other challenges, we got nothing, I believe, right?
I think so, yeah.
So next, who's next? Majintora Kevin is free. Magintora, Kevin is free. So yeah, Magintora, who just joined. I don't know if he's in the Discord voice chat, because there is a voice chat for that. So so you can get guided by Rod, our admin, for this event. Let me just.
Alright, so
write
DJ
something
QB
down.
asking, where did Ken get the jacket? And he got the jacket, he stole it, like every win he won online.
Oh lord! Stole it from Michael Jackson, because it's a Michael Jackson jacket, no?
Oh, and
jacket.
and
Gabe.
Gabe,
Jacket for me.
Gabe from the Kaka taste.
Because it's booty cheeks. So
am I not entering the spectator mode? Nothing wrong here?
oh, that's odd. They're still
they are in battle.
okay, that's odd.
They will cancel their game. Okay.
They will cancel the game. Okay. Why did that happen?
Well, CFN sometimes.
They're both on. Yeah, okay, I know already what it is. They're both on PC.
Oh, they entered before I got out.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So new rule, because I'm on PlayStation for the stream,
Yeah.
you have to wait until I'm out.
You gotta wait a bit more. Yeah, I think Rod is telling them. Yeah, we're
PC
sorry.
Master Race too quick.
You had to go with PC, PlayStation. It was easier with the stream setup.
I mean, if I have some things going on the background, so once I have the other PC, I can stream off that one and have the game running on the PC as well. But for now, I have to stream off the PlayStation.
Yeah. They don't goof now.
Well, I mean, who would have thought that PlayStation would be slower than PC?
Everyone.
Huh?
It's always been like that, right?
Well,
I think PS5 is a tad more fast.
PS5 is rocking that SSD.
Yeah, but PS5 is also not available.
Oh lord. I wonder if developers will. Oh, so let's push Magintora up so he can get his game.
Magintora. Yeah, he has to get his game. Yeah. I think Rod is already telling them. I believe.
Yeah. So if Atomic Nogi could go back first, so that would be best.
I hope he's back from his little break.
Okay, and there we go.
Yeah.
Magintora. Kevin is free. Alright.
So excuse our slow ass PlayStation.
Well, I mean,
But it is what it is. So
it'd be like that sometimes.
Yeah. So we suggest you wait a bit until we'll have we also see the lobby. PC too fast for us.
PC too fast. Too fast, too furious.
Too fast.
Too
So at the
fast.
moment, nobody has cleared a challenge.
No, so it's
we only got 2 critical arts and 1 stun in terms of collective challenges, but no V breaks, no interrupting V breaks, and no successfully performing V breaks. So yeah, we have to see how this is going to go on now.
Yeah. So I have
What do
this.
we have
I have this one. Which means the current state. So all 7 challenges still have to be taken.
Yeah. As you can see, and I think Rod can always tell the guys from the Discord who's already done 2 or 3 V breaks.
This time Kevin's rocking his main. Mika and Magintora going ham with Ken and
With the
rocking
pink
that
Ken.
pink outfit. Yeah.
That's a nice outfit. That's the Palermo Ken.
Here we go. Nareshko Ooh, that wasn't meaty. Here we go, and stun. Stun. Oh, the crush counter. Ballsy move. Trying to get that last hit in. Manjitora has life lead. He doesn't have to play aggressive. Jump in. And gets the win.
Yeah, Wrexham is asking what's a Dan Infinite. It's a character who has an infinite in this game. It's pretty hard to pull off. But
There's
you
an
can do
infinite in Street Fighter now. Well, no, in Street Fighter 5.
Yeah, it's very distance depending. So yeah, it's really not an easy challenge.
Oh,
Nice,
gets
command
back
grab.
into the corner. Let's go.
Getting back to the
Add to
corner
air.
again.
Ooh, the
Oh,
EXCP.
no.
That's a big punish.
Nice.
Yep, and Kevin doing the combos, getting that win. No anti-air. Here we go. Yeah, DP. Another meaty into DP. Stun maybe?
Nice. Oh,
And
nice.
a stun.
That's the second stun of the evening.
And a perfect. Damn,
And the
son.
perfect. Just stay there and just yeah. Manjitora was going in. And Kevin is 3 got peed on.
He got the PP.
But there's still a round left.
Plus frames.
As we already mentioned, it's first 2-1, but 3 rounds to give the players more of a chance to take the challenges.
Alright, so Ken in the corner against Mika. That's a place you do not want to be. Oh, but Kevin jumps into. No, you go back.
Get back to the corner.
You go back. That stun going down.
maybe for-
Oh, anti-air
okay,
DP. Here we go. And the
Nice.
command grab.
Why not? Just do it again.
Just do it. Nadeshko.
That's
Oh,
a challenge.
nice.
Oh, nice block.
Oh, magic pixel territory.
That's the magic pixel.
Oh,
I mean, if he gets the comeback, he gets also the challenge.
Oh,
Nice!
critical art.
Oh lord! Come
No
on.
kill though.
Is he the first to get the chip damage challenge?
Critical art.
Not the chip damage, the magic pixel challenge. I mean, he can do it. Already, this is early.
Oh,
Nice!
there we go.
it is. So we got our first clear challenge, and it's none other than Manjitora for the first one. Was it the first one or was it the second one? I mean, let me check. Yeah, it was the first challenge. Yeah.
All right. So it was Manjitora.
Manjitora for the first one, yes.
There we go. Alright, I'm back in the lobby, so you can... Oh, I have to go back to the queue, actually.
Go back to the queue again.
Alright.
So it's Atomic Nogi now against Manjitora. Winner stays, I forgot to mention it.
Alright, Rex, I'm asking with the critical art. So the challenge for the critical art is to... No, we do not have a challenge with critical art.
It's the collective challenge.
Collective challenge, yeah. So every critical art counts, and I did add it to the last one, to the collective one.
Let's do this.
Alright, so who's playing here? Manjitora goes over here.
Then we have Atomic Nogi. So we're gonna go with his CFN. I don't know. He's also called Nogi or just Nogi, but I think we take his CFN right now.
It's easier for me to type. Alright, so the CA does have to connect. You cannot do a CA and then it gets blocked, because that doesn't count.
So even a chipped CA doesn't count.
I would say that counts, because it did get a hit.
It's my right. Okay. Okay.
Well, we can make it not count. I don't care, because I would count it.
Yeah. Okay. We didn't thought that through. But it's okay.
Oh, here we go. Atomic Nogi doing the meme.
With the Abigail.
The Abigail. Oh, good jump in, but no conversion.
I have no idea what this character does, so...
He runs at you and punches in your face. Oh!
Oh,
Armor
nice.
through that TP. Alright, Magintora rocking that can attack.
I like this can color a lot. I like the pink-black combination.
Oh!
Nice.
No conversion though.
Hey, just do it.
Imagine
Oh,
charging your hit in front of someone else's face. The balls on this Abigail. Oh,
Nice.
the whiff TP.
Oh, didn't capitalize on that. Could've.
Here we go, runs. Oh, Magintora knows the tag, how to beat it. Oh, wake up! Oh,
no, you gotta block the whole thing.
Yeah,
It's
gotta
the
block the
expert.
whole thing. It's like Sam Shaw all over again.
So it's only one hit armor, right?
Yep.
Okay, I see. Nice.
But it's not the armor that is scary, it's the fact that Abigail can cancel all he does into a parry,
Okay.
into a hit, into a command grab. So you have to guess.
Nice.
Oh, that's a guard break.
Okay. Oh lord!
Oh, here we go!
Nice.
Conversion! Not enough for the CA though. Here we go.
Nice.
And CA!
That's a CA. This
Bam!
That's the
Just,
fourth CA of the evening.
just spending the cash.
Brought to you by Atomic Nog. Nice.
Spending that cash.
I didn't think that Nogi played Abigail in the last gaming cafe, Street Fighter tournament.
I don't think I saw an Abigail.
Yeah. Wasn't it? Or maybe I'm confusing it with another player. Wasn't it Fang? I remember when I did.
Oh, a V-shift! V-break! Here we go. That's a V-break.
Trying to find. Okay, I see. He played Nash. Okay, it's the Nash one. It's the Nash highlight that I. Okay. There was also a Fang player in the gaming cafe. Then again, the fifth. I think with the critical arts we are.
Ooh, and
we
armor
way
through,
too
but
low.
no conversion.
Can you change to the chat, please? I can't see the chat.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yep, Kevin's saying he played against that Fang, and
Yeah, but it wasn't
Robert
Nogi.
says Nogi is Nash. Oh, okay.
Okay. What's the Nash play?
Alright, Magintora doing that can combos. Nogi in the corner, but fights his way out. Here we go. That's a punishable move, but Magintora throwing out of the corner. Activation.
Activation station.
Oh, another
nice.
CA! Punish that
Numero
charged
five.
move.
This is gonna kill, right?
Yep. And that's also a kill, so I think the critical arts are way too easy.
I went with 20. I was like, okay, maybe.
People doing
Maybe.
CAs left and right.
I'm used to Samsho SSMs, which are a bit harder to land. But it's okay. I mean, we can also go beyond that.
I have a feeling we will go beyond that.
Well, why not? So next time we can pop those numbers up.
Alright, so the current state, Magintora got the
Yeah,
win with the magic pixel.
So this challenge is taken out of the equation.
Yep.
We still have the chip damage, the V breaks. I didn't see any V breaks, any V
I
shifts.
Nogi did one V break.
Oh, okay. I didn't catch that.
Let's do this.
And I hope someone's counting. Roberto, are you counting?
I think so. I hope so. It was kind of difficult to follow. That's why we have an admin in the Discord. So he should keep track on the challenges.
Actarus 07. Actarus rocking that mask costume.
Yeah, and this time this is the Magintora's second consecutive win. If he wins this one, it's going to be 3, and he's going to let another one play. That's the rules. You can have only a win streak of 3. Then we change players.
All right, let's see. Magintora zoning Arcturus out. Oh no, it goes in for the throw. Now Arcturus in the corner, trapped in there against Ken. That's not where you want to be against Ken. Anti-air DP from Magintora. He's got those down. Oh, but jumps into the corner. That's not good against G either. And another side switch. Them side switches. We should do a side switch counter. Alright, so Actor is getting a level 2 with a G, which has been buffed. So let's see some damage.
Out of nowhere.
Oh, nice, actually. Alright. Now it's Actarus zoning Magintora out. Oh, and anti-air with V-skill. Damn, Actarus doing... That's the second time he jumped over Fireball with that move.
I mean, he likes
a third time! Damn! Oh, the throw!
The throw.
Ow, Magintora playing it patient and getting that win.
Nice. Patience is a virtue.
Oh, damn! It's like the 4th time. At this point, it's not even random anymore.
No, I mean, Actarus is consistent with those. Oh, again!
Damn, son!
The kangaroo!
No plasma! No plasma against Actarus.
I see.
Oh, meaty, okay, but no conversion. And another kick. Eat those.
Oh, he's got the pistol.
Oh, nice block. Oh, the full screen low dash. Oh, that was a bad spot to charge.
Nice. Can he follow it up with something? I believe so.
Oh, he chose to do meter instead.
Okay.
So that's a decision. G has to decide if he wants to build the meter or if he wants to go for Oki. Or damage.
I see you.
Activation.
Activation station.
Here we go.
Nice.
Oh, no meaty. He thought maybe it was DP was coming. Hello?
Oh, out of nowhere.
Oh, it's gonna try to chip. Not enough. Oh, didn't hit.
Not enough to chip.
Nah, he was too far away. If he was close, it would have worked. But timeout though. Actarus. Timeout. Let's go. Actarus winning with the timeout. No. Ah. He could have. Almost.
So you almost got the... I think it's 4th challenge? For 5th challenge, maybe?
The 5th one, yeah.
I don't know. I played the 5th.
The 5th. The 50.
The 5th?
Nice meaty here, but no conversion. Actarus in the corner. Oh, the stun!
The first stun?
Another stun? No! Actarus challenges it.
Actarus says no. This time it doesn't go...
this time it was on the reach. Oh, but here we go.
Oh,
V-skill.
Oh, he blocked it.
Yeah, that's not good. But Actarus has full bar, so if he gets a good hit in, he might kill Magintora. Oh, no, sir.
And the Hadouken says no.
No, sir, that does not work.
Yattazı.
Yattaze. Fireball War. Absorbing that fireball for that sweet V gauge.
Okay, he gets the V gauge out of that.
Yep. If he absorbs the fireball, he gets extra V gauge for that.
I didn't see any reflex or absorb with Rose. I think they left that out. Or maybe they didn't show it.
They might not have shown, or maybe it's V skill too.
Ah, V skill back. I want it permanent.
All right, so Rexham,
Yes,
we do three rounds, but first to one.
Oh, nice!
V shift, but no V break, just a V
That's-
shift.
Yeah, that's not a V break, so it doesn't count. Was still stylish though.
That was stylish. Actually, if you can do a full combo without the V break, that's actually better. But we want to see V breaks.
Yeah. Because we want to see you.
All right,
use
so
the
Magintora won 3 times in a row, if I saw that
So
correctly.
he has to make room for the other guys to play. Rod is already telling them.
It's go time.
All right, go back to cube. All right, Kevin
is free. Versus Nogi.
I really have to see how I can do this without anyone seeing. Kevin is
How do you
free.
mean?
Do people
What
not
do you
see?
mean without anyone
Do people not see when I'm
typing?
typing here?
I mean, that doesn't bother me.
But I want to be professional.
What you could do.
All right, so these are the challenges. Magintora is still the only one who has a challenge. He won by the magic pixel.
Yeah.
We still have the chip damage and the timeout, which Arcturus almost got.
Yeah,
And
he decided
Yeah.
to let it slide.
and Nogi has 1 V break already, but he needs 4 more.
Yeah. I believe Nogi is the only one who did a V break until now. It's the third
Oh,
challenge.
Nogi going with Nash and Kevin going with Seth.
I see. So nobody's trying the Dan Infinite. I see you.
Who does know how it works, though?
I know.
You know.
Coach, let me in.
Let in! Yeah, but you also know the secret challenge, so
That's true.
maybe that's what Kevin is doing. He's trying out every different character, see if he can hit the secret challenge condition.
Maybe. No, Kevin also played a bit of Seth.
All right, here we go. Seen some Nash who got buffed. This is Le Buff. Alright, Kevin. Nice jump in. That kick.
I love the Nash theme. But when the guitar hits,
You're a guitar guy.
no, I'm actually a bass guy, but
Alright.
I like some shredding. I like some shredding.
You like some shredding. Round 2. First round went to Atomic Nogi.
Yeah, Rod is the guitar
Oh,
guy.
that single hits CA.
This is number 7.
Oh, V-break. Here we go.
Nah, that's a
Nogi.
V-break, yes.
The second V-break.
Yeah, Nogi is using those. Nice. Nice back and forth. I'm still kind of mad that Seth has Demon Cradle from the boy Dimitri from Darkstalkers. But it's okay. I'm not mad. I'm not mad.
You're not mad. I don't believe you. You want that Darkstalkers game.
I want it so bad. Give me Dimitri, give me Felicia.
Oh, that's blocked. That's blocked. No,
I thought it
no,
was no.
no, that doesn't count. I saw the block.
Noggy.
Nogi doing the challenges. He tried, man. He tried.
Nog like this.
Oh god. Here we
I'm
go.
sorry, man.
It's not even that late.
When Starstalkers, man, don't tell me.
Alright, so Kevin in the corner. Nogi taking advantage of that. Oh, jumps in the corner but gets the cross hit. And damn,
again.
Kevin! Dude, single hit CAs. What is this?
Ain't going in.
This ain't Evo.
Might as well be. Nice. So
Yeah,
we're
but-
already at 8 critical odds.
but
I
we had-
believe the critical odds.
Yeah, critical hits, yeah.
I can't say the same for stunts and perfect. So
Yeah, but those are a bit harder to do, so.
yeah.
Okay, and
Nice.
here we go. Another round for Atomic Nogi.
Let me break your neck real quick.
Round 4. Fight.
Oh, gets a throw. Okay, meaty. Kevin has those. But drop the combo. Anti-ass. Oh, that's that was an air reset. Yeah.
That was a Demon Cradle from Dark Souls.
Here we go again.
I'm sorry.
Activation. Oh, rocking that V trigger too.
Oh, okay.
Block the overhead.
What that is? Oh, nice.
V
Nice
shift out of that pressure. Very nice. Oh, another drop
Nice.
combo.
Oh. Didn't
Here you
capitalize
go.
on those.
Meaty's in the corner. I just dash up through, but out of the corner. I know. Oh, another V break.
And that's numero 3.
Nogi going for that challenge hard.
Yeah, it's pretty close. It's pretty close. And no interruptions either.
Nash wins.
Let's marvel.
That's Marvel.
Marvel.
Give me a Marvel with a better roster. The Capcom roster.
The Capcom.
And as you already can guess, some Darkstalkers and Rival Schools characters.
Oh man, he's so wants that Darkstalker.
Yeah. So we got Nogi against Dr. Roos now.
Yep.
So reminder, if anyone is watching, you can also participate in this event. We have a Discord, videogames.lu, where you can join and you can join the voice chat and play and try to clear the challenges. I mean, some of them need a bit more, how do you say, sometimes to clear, but there are some who can be done in one match, like the chip damage one, the winning by timeout one, and then infinite if you if you dare
know,
to do
if
it.
you know how to do it and you are confident that you can do it in a match.
Or at least try, right? We
Try.
should have said try the then infinite. At least push some buttons with Dan.
Alright, let's see if Atomic
Scalomania.
Nogi is gonna try more V-breaks.
Maybe. I mean, he has already 3. 2 more, and he's got the challenge down.
Oh, nice interruption here from Actarus. Another that move over every fireball, man.
I mean, Actarus, he likes to dodge in style. That's for sure.
That's why he has that rocking costume.
I mean, he has Scalomania. He has to show off. Scalomania is all about that.
Oh, damn. Nogi going after the fireball.
Put him in the corner.
Put him in the corner, going ham. Activation. Oh, blocked. Meaty.
That's low,
Oh,
man.
the meaty command grab didn't reach.
Ooh,
Okay,
nice
V shift.
chip.
Yep. But no punish from Actarus. That would have counted as a interrupt. Oh, command grab. Here we go. This time it works.
And he's bound down.
Round 2.
Oh, a DOA 6 question? Yes, me, Rod, and Actorus and Mike, we still play these games from time to time.
We be playing that DOA.
It's a fun game. I mean, it has a bad stigma with the titty game and something like that, but actually it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's people do not give it a chance because of the titty stigma. But it has unique mechanics that are unique to DOA, so it's actually a good game, I think. All right, so Actorus. Oh, yep.
Yeah, the DLC.
Oh, that definitely doesn't help.
Yeah.
that a command grab. Yeah, so DLC stuff doesn't help either. No.
Oh, nice wall bounce.
Oh, another V-ship. No,
Oh,
that was
this
blocked.
doesn't-
And counter CA. Here we go.
Counter CA.
You tried to
CA
CA
me, I'll do this
me.
to you.
You tried to CA me.
Get the finger. Power to the ass.
Tried to CA the president of the world.
Or even the crow was hype. You see it jumping around?
Oh, Atomic Nogi going in. Oh, just going ham. One after the other.
Hey. 3 times in a row.
Alright, Actorus challenging, but still in the corner. Still in the corner.
If you can do it twice, maybe you can do it thrice.
Oh, EX, here we go.
Nice. I'm gonna be EXing. Now you're working on that comeback.
Fight.
Oh, he wants more rounds, that's why.
Yeah, I mean,
That's
my boy Nogi is hungry.
he wants that challenge.
Nice.
Okay, crush counter sweep, goes for the
Sweepity
meaty.
sweep.
Oh, blocked, and the punish. Another punish.
That is the slice kicker, how do you call it? Oh, nice.
Oh, nice block from Actorus.
Oh, nice block.
Good tech.
Impressive. I would've
Atomic
fallen
Nogi
for
is
that.
still going in.
Oh, Wrexham is playing DOE 6 again. Man, you can play. It's cool. You got players that wanna play. I mean, the one I already mentioned. We have it on PC and on PS4, so yeah, no problem there. Nice.
Yep. Command grab, punish, and stealing some EX bar.
Why not? So 2-2. Nogi bringing it back.
Oh, here we go. Doesn't go for the for the present level. Another hit.
With that move.
Now Nogi in the corner. Oh, that might count. That might hit. Yep, it hits.
Yeah, that was a confirmed. Damn. He went in with that. Well, you
Oh,
can't
that
chip
didn't
anymore.
reach. Oh, he tried the V-break, but that didn't reach.
Yeah, almost V-break. I see there's a chance.
Oh,
Nice.
stealing more EX bar. And
the neutral
Actorus
jump.
taking the win with a neutral jump
G.
punch.
Why does he say G? It's Scalomania.
It's called. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's the Fighting EX layer, man.
Yeah, sure. Let's say it is.
That guy from SNK Heroines, you know?
That guy from SNK Heroines.
Yeah, I mean. So it's Magitora's turn again. You have to switch place. Sufura.
Yeah.
Leave the queue. So it's
I cannot.
Magitora versus Kevin is free again.
No, I think Machitora timed Actorus out while Actorus was waiting for us to come back to the lobby.
Ah, yes. Yeah,
So
yeah,
Roberto is probably in the voice chats dictating people to let Actorus back up.
Rod doing work. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I see. Magitora versus Actorus now.
So Magintora.
On player one side and
That's good.
Actorus
That's less for me
on
to
player
change.
nice. We like that. We're lazy up in here.
Alright, so the current challenges. Magintora has the Magic Pixel win. Nogi is working on the V-Break challenge. So he has 3 so far.
Yeah, I counted 3. I mean, Rod can confirm that.
But we have
Okay.
no one working on the V-shifts, on the interrupts, on the punish, or however you want to call it. The chip damage is still free, and the timeout is still free, which almost, Arcturus almost got it.
Almost, yeah.
But the Dan Infinite? Nah. And the secret challenge? Nah.
We don't go for the
Still
infinite.
not.
Maybe later. I mean.
Round 1. Fight.
Bad training stage. Bad.
The online classic. Oh, Magitora rocking that jump in combo.
Again, Rocky the Palermo. He knows.
I think Magitora has
like-
been working on his combos because he's doing some damage now.
Yeah, I mean, he's always playing regularly. I sometimes watch his streams, and so it's always small improvements over time.
And another jump in into a full combo. Closest stun. Throw.
Is he trying the chip damage?
He has to. He should just do it. Arcturus cannot V reversal, so he can just no. Oh, Arcturus dropped. He could have killed here.
Oh,
no.
DP.
Magitor going
nobody
with
wants
the
with the chip damage.
classic. He's going with the classic. You cannot chip damage. You have to go for DP. It's a can classic. It's law that you have to wake up with DP. Oh,
The
okay.
question is the XDP or regular DP.
Just DP, man. As long as it's DP. Alright, so Arcturus got level 2 President right away at the start of the rounds, and now he's skipping back. Just zoning. And
Oh, nice
some
jump
aggression. Oh, sweep from close up. No, sir.
Magitora said, I want none of that.
You got punished for that.
Nice cross-up block by Arcturus.
Oh, dash up throw. Magitora working on that comeback. Slow and steady. Arcturus still has the full CA. Oh no!
Oh no!
Bad confirm. And count.
Oh,
No!
Oh no!
The whiff.
What are you doing?
He wanted the counter to go up. He wanted 11.
This is a spaghetti carbonara up in here.
Oh, almost. Oh no! You
No,
cannot do that. That AV skill will kill you.
I was like, you wanna end me? Think again.
That is like dive kicks, only worse.
It's just like only worse.
Oh, cross up. Into conversion, yep. Nice damage here. Throw G, the Arcturus in the corner. Oh, block TP, but no punish! Wake up jabs. Oh, that's a crush counter here. And Arcturus still waking up with the buttons. Magitora not doing his meaties. And now Arcturus with the V meter. No CA. Nice anti-air. Activation. Oh. Oh, okay, bold move. Oh no! Oh, the spaghetti!
It's just copy paste from last time. It's a deja vu.
Oh
No,
no!
that's a cross.
No anti-air.
And he's getting again the magic pixel challenge.
Yeah, that would have been another magic pixel. Magitora.
Magitora au carré.
Magitora wants wants that extra magic pixel win.
He likes that challenge. He wants to do it 5 times.
Alright, Magitora still playing patient. Blocking all of Actarus' special moves.
I see some
Actarus doing the
DOA.
meaties.
I see some DOA waifu wars going on in the chat.
Yeah, but I have the best waifu, so it doesn't matter. Hey.
You also play Mila?
Huh?
Huh?
Huh? I think
Huh?
you're mistaken here.
Okay.
Actarus in the corner still wakes up with the jabs.
Whatever.
Oh! No, that blocked. Oh no!
Oh no, I didn't block that.
Did Magitora
That's not my level.
Did the Magitora do a backdash? Because I saw him go back, but
I think so. I think so.
I saw him go
Should
back,
watch
but
the
I didn't
replay.
think it was a backdash.
Yeah, I thought Actarus was going for the chip here, but it was Magitora had too much life left, so yeah. But it did work out.
Well, whatever it is, it counts, and we are at 11 of 20.
Sometimes you gotta be just YOLO.
Sometimes you have to gorilla. Like that, full screen dash low.
Why not?
If it works, I mean. I cannot tell the
works,
guy
it
to
works.
stop if it works. Oh, jump in. Yeah.
Oh,
no.
that's blocked.
And punished with the classic G command grab. No, no command grab. I saw it. I saw the 12 long ass frames.
Ah, nice chase down.
And
Magitora.
Magitora.
Yeah, winning 3-2 against Actarus. Still no challenges have been cleared. I mean, we only have Magitora with the cheap damage one, the magic pixel one.
Mhm.
We still have the timeout challenge. We still have the cheap damage challenge. We have the V breaks, the V shifts, the interruption of V breaks, and landing of the V breaks. And the secret challenge, which nobody came close to, I say for now. If you want a very small hint, nobody got close to the secret challenge already. It's not it's not Candy Piece, that's for sure. I was saying that on the YouTube video. It's not that one. Even though I answered with maybe.
It's yeah. So you can confirm that it's not Candy Piece. Is that what you're
It's not
saying?
Candy Piece.
It's not
Yeah,
Candy
it's not
Piece. So it's not Candy Piece, guys. So you can stop playing Ken now.
I see all those cans. We don't want to see it. That's okay. You can still play Ken, but it's not the challenge.
All right, Magitora against Kevin is free.
Okay, I get the message from Rod that Nogi is disconnected. We have to invite him again afterwards.
Okay. Oh, that conversion though.
Just remind us, Rod, because I tend to forget easily. He's in. Okay.
Back into the corner. Oh damn, son. Kevin is free, showing the combos.
Ah, almost done. Almost done. We're still stuck at 2 stuns though.
Yeah, stun and perfect. I think stun and perfect go kinda hand in hand.
Yeah. Oh, the Demon Cradle. I call it Demon Cradle. I don't care how this name is.
I think it's actually called Demon Cradle.
It says something Cradle, but I don't know if it's Demon Cradle.
Round 2.
Comes in the... What?
Whoa, okay.
Oh yeah,
The close to fireballs?
that's projectile invincible. Yeah.
Is it Demon Cradle? Is he really saying exactly Demon Cradle?
It's your boy, Alexei.
It's
And
not my boy.
Magitora almost stunned. No. Oh, that might still work. Hey, damn, Kevin.
Oh,
Throwing people into the corner. He's not letting them out.
nice.
Oh,
no.
EXTP!
With the pin up in there.
EXTP
Nice.
Bonanza.
Round 3. Fight.
Nice Demon Crate. Yeah, okay.
Let's go. Oh, the cross up.
Oh, nice cross up.
Yeah, and here we go. Magitora rocking that Ken combo. But Kevin throwing him into the corner. EXTP, the classic. Get off me move. And the meaties. Magitora got his meaties now. They didn't do them against Actarus, but against Kevin. Mwah.
No, nice aggressive play from Magitora.
Yeah, he played way less aggressive against Actarus. Maybe he knows the matchup better. Who knows?
Maybe, maybe.
Oh, okay, okay.
Fancy.
Interesting interaction. Nice backdash out of pressure here from Magitora. Oh, Kevin going with the fancy set combos. Doing the oras. And another throw. Damn, Kevin! Kevin with that advanced tech gets the kill. There we go. Clean.
That was nice.
That was clean. That was some clean set right there.
Clean Seth set. I'll stop.
I saw people call mirrors as a mirror set.
Oh lord.
It's
I
just
think
terrible.
Nogi is in the game now because the previous invitation worked.
Yeah, so
I think,
that's a pro tip right there. If you get booted from a lobby, you can use the old invitation again because it's still valid.
Okay.
Pro tip right there.
But I got told from Rod that we have to give the hint now for the secret challenge.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's already been 1 hour.
So what is
Almost
the
1 hour.
hint here?
Is everybody listening? I don't know. Should I give the easy hint or the? No, I'll go with the not so. I mean,
we'll see. We still have an
I
hour.
just said
So.
that. Let's say. Tip. Okay. Here's the hint. Now listen up, listen close, and listen carefully. When I first got introduced, I was December. Now I'm November.
Naruhodo.
I find it pretty easy.
What could that
Let's
mean?
see. It's only part of the challenge.
What
let's
could
say.
that mean?
Well, it's on them to figure it out now.
I hope they're smarter than me because I don't know.
I'm actually pretty confident that it's only normal that you don't know. So this goes. This is something that.
Yeah. Is that
I would
because
say
I'm
old school.
Bakamitai? What?
That's because you were a beginner.
I'm a beginner? What?
Because you started with Street Fighter 5, so it's a bit difficult for you to know.
All right. Let's see if we see a change here.
Did they got the hint? Rod, can you give me
Yeah.
a thumbs up or something?
Was Actarus or Nogi?
Oh, I didn't pay attention. I think it should be Nogi,
Now let's see.
because Actarus played earlier with Magitora. So
Let's
it should
see.
be. No, because Nogi he was kicked out. So let's see.
Let's see and adapt.
If it's G, it's Actarus. If it's Nash,
Oh, what is this?
oh, I see an
Interesting choice.
interesting.
So now we have a G mirror.
We have a G mirror, but no 2 Gs.
私こそが世界の地球の宇宙の大統領だ Round 1
All right, let's see if Kevin can play some G.
Let's see. So is 11 always taking the how do you say the
Yeah.
aspect of his opponent?
Yeah, I think so. I think it's basically random select.
Yeah, but can he also change? Could he also be some, I mean, like Guile or something like that? Or is it G
No.
because his opponent was G?
No. It's literally random select.
Okay. So it's random that we have now two Gs.
Yep.
Okay.
The pros are doing like 11 challenges where they have to win, where they have to get like a 10 win streak with 11. So
Okay, I see.
every match they have to play a different character because it's random select, and
Okay,
still
I
get
see,
the
I see,
win
alright.
streak.
So just like as we are talking, Arturus has won the first round. Of course, it's his main, so
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
his
see-
main, so he knows G better. Oh, nice block here from Kevin.
And I mean, it's safe to say that Kevin kinda got the
Is it
meaning
safe
of
to
the
say?
hint. Not quite.
There we go. Almost got the round. And here we go, Kevin.
Guess I'ma buy the new season.
How
Yeah,
did you
that's
not buy it yet? My boy hasn't bought. Oh yeah,
I mean,
Activist.
it's true that some challenges have to be done with the season pass. We have the Dan Infinite, for example. But there are some challenges that can also be done with without the season
Oh,
pass.
that's
so.
a block CA.
Oh, I got choppy sounds again.
Sweep. No frame drops on my end, but
Yeah,
the
it's
upload was a bit weak.
Yeah.
Yeah, it happens sometimes, man. Connection
It
not
happens,
be
it
super stable. Here we go, throw. Kevin working on that comeback. Activation from Actarus. Oh, gets him with the enhanced fireball.
I like the stage too. It's the guild stage.
Oh, wake up jabs. Throw in the corner. Out of the corner. Oh, okay.
Why not?
I mean, Kevin just throwing Magintora into the corner every time, so I was a bit surprised. Interrupts the command grab with his own throw.
Now it's getting in the corner.
Oh, overhead.
Reboot. There's an
Here you go.
overhead.
Oh, full screen. Oh, it's the balls on this guy charging just right in front of him.
Why not? What you gonna do about that?
Oh,
Oh, blah.
is it? No! Drop
No,
the
he could've
kill
killed.
combo! Activation! Oh, that might chip.
Oh, chip damage.
Yeah, that's shit. Kevin tried to jump out.
It doesn't count as chip if you don't have the C.
It's CA.
It's not chip damage.
Yeah, Kevin tried to jump out.
He
Which
tried to
is
jump,
which
yeah,
is the smart move, that's like, because it would have chipped anyway.
Yeah, I mean, might as well try to jump out of it.
And there was also no V reversal to try out because it was activated. There's just good decision from Acturus to chip there because there was no way for Kevin to get out. Oh, that was too quick, I think.
Too quick?
Oh no,
No,
okay,
no.
okay. I
Oof.
still got in. Whew.
Gotta pay attention to us PlayStation guys.
The PlayStation plebs.
So again, at this time, only one challenge has been cleared. But the collective challenges in terms of critical arts are going well. The stun and the perfect not so well. But the night is still young.
So how would you say that some people got the hint about the secret challenge?
I mean, after I said the hint, I saw some good stuff.
Okay. So you're keeping it way vague like that.
I keep it a little bit vague because yeah, Let's say they got close.
私こそが世界の地球の
Alright, let's see some Nash.
Nasty Nash.
Nash doing some dash. What? Look at this. Look at this footsies. Full screen footsies from Actarus.
Why not?
And like I keep saying, if it works, I cannot tell the guy to stop. Oh, V-break!
Oh,
Here we go!
nice V-break.
V-break!
One V-break away from getting the challenge. It's always Nogi who's losing it.
Yeah. He's getting used to the V-shift mechanic quite well, actually. He's using it a lot. Okay, chase down, but no conversion. Gets a counter hit. Oh, this time Actarus blocking. Throw in the corner.
The corner you go. Okay.
Activation. Oh, that's an interrupt.
Oh, he tried it.
Wasn't
He's
interrupt.
getting hungry. He wants that challenge. I mean, he has no really no, what do you say, no stress because the others didn't do one V-break.
Yeah, but
Nice.
Actarus got the interrupt because that was a V-shift punish right there.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, I almost forgot.
Actarus punished the V-shift. That's an interrupt, my boy.
It's the first of the evening, right?
Yep.
I'm glad we are three people that watch that.
Oh, that wasn't a punish, I think? No, I didn't see the counter hit. It counts as a counter hit if you punish. So it was not a punish.
Madada.
Alright. Actarus chipping away at that hell.
Again, this low special.
Oh, that's a counter.
Oh.
That's an interrupt.
That's an
There,
interrupt again.
Actarus doing them.
Round 3. Fight.
Yeah, maybe Actarus has caught on and he's delaying his buttons to catch them. I don't know. He could.
Maybe.
Just taking advantage of Atomic Nogi trying to V-break the last one. Oh, no, that was too late.
Ah, too late. Yes, he's getting the punish.
Crush counter. Oh, that was a drop move. Oh, crush counter. Activation. In the corner. Oh, nice jump out. Tried to command grab, but Atomic Nogi not letting. As I was saying this, getting command grabbed into CA straight. And that counts as a CA.
That's CA, yes. 13. 7 CAs to go to reach the 20 CA mark.
Round 4.
Stun and Perfect still stuck at 2 and 1 respectively.
Alright, me counter hits, get some level up. Oh, that was a drop move. Now Atomic in the corner.
Nice conversion.
Oh, nice block here. Block the cross up. Oh, I have never seen that move before. What's that?
Madada.
That's a kill.
Oh, yes.
There we go. 2-2. Again, Atomic Nogi Actarus.
Nice back and forth.
Alright, fireballs. Oh! Hand on your
my boy
face.
said
Give me
no.
that. Give me that bar.
I need it. To complete the challenge.
Alright, Actarus
Charging up.
charging up. And
And
Nogi
airs
in the
the
corner.
grapple.
Jumps out, but no full conversion. Oh, that's too late. That's too late, I think. Yeah, that's
Too late to
Oh,
apologize
and
right back
no,
at ya.
Not even waiting for the third CA hit, just going right away.
Nah. He doesn't want to.
Activation.
Uh,
Oh, V-break!
Oh,
That's the
V-break.
5th V-break.
I played the 5th. So
The fifth.
Nogi actually completing the third challenge, which is performing, landing 5 V-breaks.
Yep. On the last round
Congratulations,
too,
Nogi.
so
Nash wins.
here we go.
Nice. That's what we like to see. So 2 challenges out of 7 for the single challenges are completed and taken out.
Alright, so let's take a look. Atomic Nogi got the 5 V-breaks. Congratulations on Atomic Nogi.
He did
But
it.
Arcturus punished 2 V-shifts this game, so he's the next one on the list, it seems.
Yeah, the chip damage we almost got. There were 2 or 3 rounds where we could have had the chip damage, and the timeout also. There was one incident where we could have got it, and for now nobody played Dan. I'm actually not sure if everyone has Dan as a character. I should have asked.
I mean, it's a challenge, so
Yeah, the challenge is go buy it first. Buy Dan.
by then,
And
that's the
next-
challenge.
And next time we had to do the Dan Infinite.
Alright, so we have 5 more challenges to go, and 3 more collective challenges.
I mean, if Rot is confirming me that they don't have that nobody has Dan, could we change the challenge? Because at this point it's useless.
I don't know. Maybe
can you-
someone
can you-
will buy DLC now while he's in the lobby. Get
No,
that
I don't want.
sweet
I don't
Dan
want to force
Infinite.
you. I don't want to force you guys. I mean,
I mean, if you buy Dan and you can do the Infinite straight away.
okay, yeah, they have Dan. Okay.
All right. So
I just wanted to get to be sure. So say we don't take it away then. I mean, not everyone might have him, but if there are some who have him, we can still let it be. But I think it's not an easy infinite to do, and if you don't know how to set it up, it's quite difficult. But I mean, there has to be one difficult challenge, right? So we have Atomic Nogi versus Magitora now. So I guess it's Nash versus Ken.
Yep. Rocking that pink Ken.
School uniform, right? Nash.
Kaicho Nash.
Kind of looks like Kyosuke from rival schools. I'm seeing rival schools and Darkstalkers everywhere.
Oh man, you need to get that
I need those
Darkstalker
games,
fix.
man. I need those games. I don't need any costumes. I want games.
Oh, the XTP, that
punish.
was too far away. Oh, that was... Oh, was that? That was that rollback?
Maybe. Wi-Fi rollback.
Oh, V-break.
V-break, but yeah.
And
You're
Nogi,
working
I
on the
think
sixth V-break.
I think Nogi just does V-breaks because it's good.
I mean, that's why we do these challenges also. It's to get people familiar with
Hey man,
right?
it would be nice if Atomic Nogi just did V-breaks for the challenge, and he noticed during the challenge, hey, that's actually pretty good.
Yeah. My work here is done. Nice, and as we are already talking, Magitora wins the first round with the Hadouken, the classic of the classics.
Oh,
Let's see how this second
anti-air
round is going to turn out.
and
I
the
mean,
combo.
Magitora is always on point with the anti-airs. I mean, every tournament I see, every stream I see from him, it's always
Yeah,
nice with
his
anti-airs.
anti-airs are really good. But I saw that he was he said he was having difficulties doing damage, but I see that he has been working on it. He's rocking those combos. Look at this. And
nice,
meaties.
nice chase down. He got meaties too, not only anti-airs.
Round 3. Fight.
Jump in, gets the jump in. And the throw. Magintora going ham, but Atomic says no. Give me that meter. Give me that meter again.
I need it for my V shifts, even though I already have the challenge.
Oh no, he's not getting
But I mean-
V gauge from that. He's getting CA gauge from that.
CA gauge.
Oh yes, he's getting the good bars.
We're getting the chip damage challenge now. Maybe.
Oh,
okay.
okay.
Keep it with it.
That's plus.
That's
oh,
well,
that was plus. It's not plus if you don't. If you don't. Oh, that's V break. Blocked.
Oh no, that's blocked. That's not interrupted, so it doesn't count.
Hadouken in your face. Magintora taking the win.
Yeah, winning 3 straight rounds. Showing us the fire kicks now. That's showings from Magintora, who already completed the first challenge, which was winning with the magic pixel left.
Mm-hmm.
And Atomic Nogi followed up with successfully connecting 5
I need to
V-breaks.
go back to the queue.
Okay, I see. Now we can show the challenges again. Yeah, so Magintora completing the first challenge, Atomic Nogi the third one. Actorus is the closest to the fourth one, interrupting 5 V shifts. He interrupted 2 at this point.
Mm.
Chip damage timeout, we almost got those, but only almost.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody tried to Dan Infinite, and the secret challenge was almost.
Well, we had someone on the right track.
Yeah. Let's see if they can follow through. So I think it's Magintora, right? Yeah, Magintora on the left side. Yeah, I see.
Oh, here we go.
Kevin
Zeku
is free again with the 11.
Yeah, I think he knows what's up. But he hasn't cleared all the conditions, I would say.
Yeah, he's got to figure it out what it is.
Round 1. Fight.
Alright, old Zeku. Zoning style. Oh, the nice block from Magintora as well. Oh, the cross up. Here we go. Combo. And now Kevin in the corner. EXDP. Just get away from me.
See,
Yeah.
choosing 11 is kind of like a double-edged sword because, yeah, your opponent might not know the matchup, but you might not know the character.
Yeah,
so,
man. That's why people do the 11 challenge, where you have to get a win streak with 11 in ranked.
I mean, that's a nice way to learn new characters. I mean.
Almost got Denta, yeah. EXTP out of here. Pros. Who gets interrupted on that one? EXTP again. Oh, changes to Young Zeku. Young Zeku being a more aggressive rushdown style. Oh, not quite the kill. Chip. Magintora going for chip. No,
It could.
not quite. Old Zeku. Here we go. Chip. No, too far away.
It was too far away. He tried.
He tried. And that's a magic pixel, but magic pixel's already taken.
Can't legs aren't that long.
Here we go. Jump in, nice jump in here from Kevin. Oh, get crossed up. And now Kevin is in the corner, gets meaty. Stun is an issue now. Anti-air, you stay in the corner, another meaty. Oh, and here we go, activation. Meaty, Magintora blocking, gets thrown. Yeah, Kevin's showing some nice aggression with Zeku, despite the fact that I don't think he actually plays Zeku.
I don't think so. Maybe when he came out, he first tried him out, but yeah,
Well, I mean,
it's already quite some time.
for someone who doesn't play Zeku, that was some nice aggression.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh, gets cross up. Okay, nice late DP there.
Okay, we get confirmation. He never played Zeku, so yeah. Again, the double-edged sword, which is 11.
Oh, here we go. Oh, gets anti-air. Yeah, that's a big issue. If you don't know your anti-air buttons, that's bad. And now Magitora has life lead. Oh, lands on the fireball. Unlucky.
Unlucky, yeah.
Unlucky because Kevin is the only one who is actually trying to get the 7 challenge, I think.
Still not quite there.
Not quite. There's still some conditions that need to be satisfied. But it's on the right track.
That's true. I mean, he still has time to film to get it.
Right, so Magitora, his second win. No,
yeah, it's the second, huh? Right.
yeah.
Or maybe we'll see if Rod is handling the matches. So, yeah. Next one is Actor Roos, Belgian Luxembourger.
Right, while we're waiting, we can look over the challenges again.
Yeah,
so
no
no change there. Actorus still on 2. Maybe he will work more on his challenge in this round against Magitora.
I mean, I think Actor Roos is the one that has 2 interruption on V breaks, and he was always the one that could have chip damage in a way.
He also almost got the timeout, so he was close with every challenge.
Yeah, he was close. Yeah, he was close for 3 matches.
Well, not close with the V shift, but he is working on them.
I mean, he's the closest out of all out of everyone. Again, rocking the Skullomania. I like the broken spine in the Skullomania outfit.
The broken spine. There's a broken spine.
Yeah, look.
I have to
look and learn.
I have to look. Oh damn! God, there's a broken spine.
Hey, there's the Skullomania.
I didn't see that.
Now you know.
Oh, the ball on this guy just charging in front of you. Okay. That DP though.
Jump in.
Okay, in the corner, throw. Anchora's showing off that corner pressure.
I could have worked on the stun there, but the stun goes down a bit for Actorus.
And again, but Magitora does not let Actorus charge. Just not in front of me, not in my face. Absorbing that fireball. Magitora keeping Actorus in the corner. Oh, that wasn't quite confirmed. Bluff. Charging, activation, and absorption. Damn, son. Oh, not quite a cross up. Oh, was that a back? Was that a back? No, that's blocked.
Nah, not this time.
Not this time.
He already caught Magitora doing a backdash in a previous match. But I think Magitora knows.
That might be a timeout though. Is Magitora going for a timeout? Is he trying to go for a timeout?
He has no.
No, he's still. No. Oh, he's going for it.
He's
no.
going for it. Oh,
no.
Okay. He could.
Played it out. But it was a smart choice either way because he had life lead. He didn't have to do nothing.
Just let the opponent do the mistake.
Yeah. Anti-jump. Zoning with the fireballs, forcing Actorus to do something.
Nice absorbing those fireballs.
Yeah, he's getting mad. Meter, look at this. 2 bars already.
Which meter is it? The CA meter?
The V-bar meter.
Okay. I'm getting this confused, I'm sorry.
Nah, so it's okay. Charging again, not with Margin Tora. He does not let you.
Actor sitting on a
Meaty's-
full V-trigger meter now.
Oh,
Oh,
Meaty
stun!
again, but
No!
no stun. No stun.
Almost a stun. We got almost a stun because it's still stuck on 2. I mean, we had 2 stuns at the beginning of the event and then nothing.
Yeah, the beginning was mad. Oh, that's the. Oh,
Everybody got more careful now. Oh, no anti-air.
oh anti-air from Margin Tora. Hadouken. Again, Margin Tora playing way more cautious against Actarus. Relying a lot more on zoning. Activation. Here we go. Get out of the corner. And Margin Tora acting like he won't get command grabs. And TP out of there right away. Oh, that was a CA cancel.
Yeah.
It's not a CA kill, I think.
No.
But interesting interaction.
Could have gone. Maybe he wanted to go for the chip damage, but
Yeah,
the fireball
probably.
killed him.
He tried. He went straight for CA to get a chip damage after the fireball,
Yeah.
but Actarus died to the fireball, so it was not a CA.
Yeah.
And it was not a chip
Unfortunate.
damage, chip kill.
No, it wasn't a chip kill.
So if Actarus had blocked the fireball and we are missing someone,
Who's missing? Nogi? No.
Nogi is here, Kevin is here, Actarus is here,
Margin Tora is maybe.
Margin Tora. Okay.
Yeah, so we have to get
So the
notification from Rod.
okay,
if,
Rod says it's okay. Margin Tora is restarting. He'll come back.
Okay.
So if the old invite doesn't work, oh, he's getting the season 5 pass. So does that mean he will try Dan, or will he try to get the other secret challenge?
Maybe to get the season pass. Yeah, don't feel forced to buy the season pass, man. I mean, yeah, some challenges have you have to have the season pass 5 to complete those, but it's not a way to get people to buy it. So if you only if you want to, man, only if you want to.
Okay, so who's on the left? Atomic Nagi. Oh, there you go.
Fork. 2 forks.
Atomic.
I see.
It's the fourth mirror with 11.
But the first one is not 11, right?
It's not 11. Oh no, it's not 11. Oh, okay.
No.
So
I believe so.
we're getting real lucky with the mirrors with 11 though.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's the costume.
Yeah,
edge
okay.
costume.
So it's a pretty wide costume. I thought it was 11. Oh, damn! Kevin going ham. Here you go.
So you know what's funny?
Mm.
I learned today that Nogi is also called Kevin in real life, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, so it's a Kevin mirror.
It's a Kevin mirror and a Fork mirror.
The mirrorest of mirrors. Oh, activation.
Oh, nice.
EXDP. I mean, they told me that Falk is a zoner, but I'm seeing so much stuff happening here.
I have no idea what this character does. I'm actually unaware what she does. I have to admit.
All that aggression here. Here we go, jump in. Oh, Kevin tried to throw, I think, but Atomic was faster. Anti-air. Forward heavy punch. That's the big stay away button for Falk. Oh, not quite the combo. That's a punish. No, a reversal. Okay. Nice jump in here from Kevin. throw. Activation from Nogi. Oh, jump in, but not quite a conversion. Oh, that was. Oh, here we go. Activation. That might be it. And a round for Kevin.
Round 3.
Nice activation.
Fight.
I actually don't know if Nogi played Fog a bit.
I mean,
No,
from
if
this
they-
point of view, it looks like both players know how to play Falk in some way.
Yeah, that is a bit, yeah.
Okay, anti-air from Kevin. That's with punish and a clean jumping, but no full conversion. Throws the activation. Again, no conversion. Activation into
Oh,
kill
this is death.
again.
Round 4. Fight.
Alright, both players starting with full meter. Nice jumping again from Kevin. EXCP, get away from me. Get your ass off me.
Just do it again.
No EXCP this time. Dash up throw, not quite. Atomic walking away from that pressure. Just smacking each other with the pole. Oh, activation was too far away. Crouch,
Crouch counter.
Oh, might we see a chip? Maybe because no. Because I wanted to say Falk does mad chip damage with one hit.
Final round.
Is
So
it true?
it's
Okay.
it's hard to view reversal it.
I'm actually not familiar with the CA animation.
She kicks you in the air with and then jumps after you and then bonks you on the head.
Okay, yes, I remember now.
But that's that if
that jump in?
if it gets blocked, you get that one single hit, which does all the chip. That's why you cannot view reversal.
Nice, yes. Okay, the trigger
Activation, here we go. Oh, CA!
Oh, CA!
Oh, damn! That's a CA
It's now
counter.
15 CA, and Kevin is free gets the secret challenge.
Yep, Kevin is 3, unlocked all the conditions.
Falk. Win.
Yeah, it's winning with 11. That was the secret challenge. So yeah, Magintora, if you wanted to to get the secret challenge, it's too late now.
Yeah.
Um,
So let's go over here. So the secret challenge was to win with 11. And Kevin is 3, had to try a few times, but at the end he got the challenge.
I mean, it's not quite obvious with 11 because again, you might get the character that you're not familiar with. So it's quite it can be quite difficult unless you're quite lucky and you get your main.
Yeah,
So congratulations to Kevin is free.
Yeah,
so
Kevin,
3 out of
sticking it
7
out.
Single challenges. Yeah.
my man sticking it
think-
out, trying it out 3 times, and he got the win at the end.
Third time's a charm. So okay. The other challenges are still up. So we
No,
need
no,
my-
no, back. That was the
No,
wrong.
no.
That was the wrong
we're still,
overlay.
we're still here. We're still here, man.
That was the wrong overlay. Majitora is back, I see.
Okay, the older invitation worked. I see Freak. I would eat Fox ass, no cap. Man.
I mean,
That's
who
free.
wouldn't? What?
What?
Huh? Huh?
We have Kevin is free versus Actor Roos. Actor Roos, who is actually closest to the Force challenge, which is interrupting V breaks.
Mm-hmm.
But then again, I only see Nogi using the V break, so it's only I would say it's only possible
Yeah.
to interrupt Nogi.
Actorus has to play against Nogi to get his challenge.
And Rod using the Italian word for eating ass,
S. What?
which sounds really funny.
Mangiaculi.
Mangiaculi. I mean that sounds fun.
Chun-Li, okay.
To me, at least.
Okay, a
Oh,
character we haven't seen
got
yet.
some Chun. I'd like some fun in the Chun.
Some Chunners.
Oh,
Who got nerfed because all the light buttons are worse at anti-airs, and Chun-Li has that one super overpowered light anti-air.
the light kick.
Yeah. And because all light kicks got nerfed for anti-air, that's a nerf for her. And we hear the classic Street Fighter 2 theme.
Damn, this brings back memories. In the Halloween stage, okay.
Yeah, nice, yeah. We did not set any limitations for stages, so we're playing here for fun, man.
Yeah, I mean we don't need the training stage.
This ain't Evo. We're not owned by Sony. What?
Not yet. What? Sony's watch. Sony's watch. We are next. Oh, nice. Didn't quite get the finish, huh?
Yeah, but he has a life lead, so. Oh, the command grab gets punished.
Nice with back throw.
Round 2. Fight.
Jump in. Okay, that's blocked.
Nice punish. Could have got more out of it,
okay.
but still a punish.
Out of the air. Oh, that's CA though. Man, if I don't see you guys on Evo soon, because all those single hit CAs.
They be buffering. But yeah, this could be the next challenge, right? In the next event, like,
single hit CAs.
But yeah, 4 CAs left to get the collective challenge with the critical arts.
Alright, here we go. Actor is rocking that combo. And wake up command, meaty command grab.
Oh, jump out of the corner.
Okay, Actorus might try to get the chip if he does a little more damage. No activation, that might be kill. No, not quite.
Oh, he's still alive.
Oh god,
Oh, not to jump.
that was a
jump
mad,
prosciutto.
mad read.
Round 3.
Or an attempt for instant overhead.
Okay, I see some insiders in the chat. But why? Tap those cheeks, right?
Oh,
Sorry, no, sorry. It's okay. So, 2 rounds for Japanese free at this point.
oh, that move from Chun-Li, that's the wall of China, I tell you. A. Now, nice
Yeah.
neutral jump, but no conversion. Gets out of the corner.
Try to shimmy. Get back to the
Back,
corner. I say.
activation, and V-skill. Just get away.
Oh, nice.
And both players have CA bars, so life is getting low. We might see. Oh, meat. Oh, not quite. Nope. We might see chip, maybe. Oh, is that chip?
Maybe.
Is that chip? Is that chip? That's a chip, I
Yes,
think.
the chip! Actor Roos getting the chip damage challenge now.
We see a C. There we see a C.
It's
It's a
it
C.
could have, it's a C, so it could have reversals, right?
I didn't see the meter by the time.
It was three stacks.
All right, so he could have reversed a lot of them.
I could have. But he didn't. So Actor Roos got
He
the second
didn't,
challenge.
and Akarus gets the win. Full screen, no dash. Hits every goddamn time.
You got him.
Got him. Oh, a triple dash up. Oh,
nice.
the command dash. Okay.
What's he trying to do? Is he trying to?
Oh, he's trying for the timeout, maybe.
I think so.
He's playing super defensive right now.
I mean, that's one of the challenges that he can
Yeah,
do.
yeah. So maybe
I mean,
he's. Oh no! But now he's been
kicker.
walking. Oh, he's definitely
Yeah, I mean-
going. He's going for the timeout.
That's the Italian style. Catenaccio.
Going. Just teasing Actorus. Oh, that's
I mean,
close.
Actorus can also go for the timeout challenge.
Oh, he could. He could wait out and then get that one lucky hit to get the life lead. Oh, here we
that
go.
one lucky special, low special.
Oh, who's getting that Who's getting timeout win?
I mean, at the moment, is Actorus has the life lead.
Yeah, Actorus has the life lead, so all that waiting might come bite Kevin in the ass. Oh, that's wrong. Oh, who has life lead? I don't know. Oh,
No, that's not timeout.
That's not a timeout. No.
1 second left.
No.
I mean,
He didn't want to
Almost.
risk it. He didn't want to give Actorus that challenge.
I mean, to be fair, Kevin already has one challenge.
Yeah, but maybe he
is
wants
the-
two. He wants the second one.
Oh, he greedy.
He didn't want to give Actorus a challenge. That's why he did the throw. He wasn't sure
Yeah.
if he was winning.
That's true because both had the same amount of life, so you didn't know. So he went for the, how do you say? He wanted just to be sure, so he just said, okay, I'm gonna keep the challenge still alive. So I kill him. I'll get the challenge next time. So we change characters now.
Sure, Atomic Donkey.
Was that a 3-win streak? I lost count.
Kevin. No, I'm getting back. Rod might be managing
Yeah, I mean,
stuff.
Rod is the admin. He knows what he's doing. It's sometimes
so-
difficult to keep track when we're also commentating.
All right, so
simultaneously.
Kevin is free. He might try to go for the timeout on this one.
Maybe.
So I'm imagining people in the voice chat because the players are in their own voice chat talking to each other. So I can imagine people just talking shit to each other, like, "Oh, he's going for the timeout."
Yeah, maybe. Maybe that they're saying nothing. They don't.
Man,
want
I
to.
think we're missing. They talking shit. Okay, here's confirmation.
yes, yeah, Rod.
I got the Bramstem.
I got the Brams.
All right, so here's the challenges. Kevin is free, win with 11. He won the challenge. He figured out what the hint was. Actorus got the win with chip damage. So what we have now is win by timeout, which they tried last round. The Dan Infinite, which you haven't seen yet, and the 5 V shifts, which Actorus has 2 of.
Yeah, it's the only guy that had two interruptions on V shifts now.
Yeah, but he has to play against Atomic Nogi, I think, because he's the only one who really likes to use V shift.
Yeah, start using your V shifts, guys.
Round 1.
So we see here, Magitora Kevin is free. Again, no changes there. We have Ken versus Seth. Palermo Ken.
Oh, gets the
And,
hits, gets Oki, meaty. Nice combo. Magitora in the corner. Oh, that was a axe kick. That's what it calls. DP, get out of my face. EXDP, get back into the face. Stun.
Oh, stun! Third stun of the evening.
Oh man, I haven't seen time.
There it is. We still have 20 minutes left to get to 15 stun mark.
That's 1 stun every minute almost.
Why not? Go ham.
And the critical arts, where I thought in the beginning would it be done really easily, is still at sitting at 16, so not quite done yet.
Oh, nice.
Oh, meaty! Kevin has the meaties.
Oh, Lord, he
Oh,
got the
another
combos
stun!
down.
Another stun! Another stun! Who knows? No, the tech.
Oh, nice.
Magitora, no! Stun!
Ah, there it is. Second stun.
Kevin
And
going
finishing him with boom.
super aggressive to still get that stun. He's doing us a favor. He heard our prayers. Kevin heard our prayers.
He doesn't care for the single challenge anymore. He's going for the collective ones now.
Oh, here we go.
Oh,
Magitora.
and critical art.
That combo not confirmed. That combo conversion though.
That was nice. So 17?
17.
Yes. stun?
Another stun! No! Almost! Almost! Damn, we be talking shit about nobody doing stuns and we almost get 3 stuns.
Yeah, but I mean, this match is explosive now.
This is Sam's show now.
Yeah. They popped that rage. They're about to
Oh,
reset.
that
Oh,
was a nice DP. That was nice anti, yeah.
It was a delayed DP for the kinda air,
Oh,
air
nice
special.
jump in. Oh, again! Magitora! My boy! Doing anti-airs.
Which is always so close to stun, but he always kills his opponent before, right before the stun can
Yeah, they need to buff
get
stun.
activated.
Oh, damn! Oh! That
No, it was too far
that
away.
would have been a nice that would have been a nice punish.
Oh, let me show you how to do it.
Magitora doing another one. Damn, they're going ham on the collective challenges.
Yeah, I mean, 2 left for the critical arts. No perfect.
And
goal.
another anti-air. Meaty. Magitora. Lively, just
no.
running away. Oh, he's going for the
Oh, he's going for the
he's going for the
challenge.
timeout. I imagine they're talking shit in that chat right now. Look at this.
Okay. We see the.
Oh,
Okay,
oh,
okay.
okay.
Empty jumps.
Just scary.
Trying
Just
to bait.
up. What will I do? Okay.
Oh, he just jumping.
Okay. Just
saying, I dare you.
Just wait. Oh, hit the corner. Jumping out. And here we go. Running away again.
I mean, 30 seconds.
Kevin just building meter. Oh, gets the throw. Now he has to do some work in those 20 seconds.
I mean, one stun.
Oh, dash. Oh, Lord. Oh, he catch the dash. No.
No. He tried.
Oh, I see what he wanted to do. He wants the meter to catch the dash, maybe. Here we go. Oh, maybe. Oh, no. Oh! Magitora scamming!
Magitora's win. Oh lord, that was close at the end, man.
Magitora not getting out on purpose to get that win by timeout. Oh no!
Oof, and that's the second challenge cleared by Magitora. Damn. Well, that was a close one. I mean, that was a long round, and I mean, Magitora was sitting with a very comfortable lead for the whole round. And then the last 10 seconds,
At last,
Kevin
they just went
in
ham, yeah.
and he almost stole the challenge.
Oh
from
man, that
Magitora.
timeout was hype as fuck.
Oh man, I mean, timeouts are hype in fighting games. That's for sure.
Oh damn.
So Magitora, the first player who has 2 challenges. The catenaccio, yes, of course, it's the Italian football strategy, the catenaccio. And I think Magitora is Italian now. We can confirm.
He's Italian. He's an honorary Italian now.
He's an honorary Italian man. Catenaccio Magitora. That's what I'm calling you right now. Maginaccio. Catentora. Imagine Catenaccio, yeah. Okay, so who's next? Ooh, the Dan.
Dan, oh,
Magitora versus
okay.
Atomic Nugget.
Magitora, he's going for the challenge now.
I mean, we have 15 minutes left. He was like, okay, I have to clear all of those.
Dan out of nowhere.
I know that Magitora likes to go on training mode and just do infinites. He did that with Frieza on Dragon Ball Fighter Z. He once asked me if some old King of Fighters had some infinites. I showed him the Vanessa, of course, Vanessa best girl, and yeah, so I'm pretty confident he can pull it off. I mean, it's difficult to get it in a match, but yeah. He has the V-Trigger too, so yeah, that's true.
Okay, so oh, here we go. Cross up. What's up? What's up?
Vice Best Girl talking about? No, it's Vanessa. What you talking about? And of
Oh,
course,
armor
Dan
through.
see, so
Meaties.
Dan working with the Mr. Karate outfit, which is a nice wing to SNK again, and the reason why I think that we might get on CBS 3 down the line, maybe. You're just walking all over him. Oh, nice!
That interaction though. Armor through that hit. Get wrecked.
That's
Oh,
the Kennedy.
that's-
Oh, one DP
That's a
too
punish.
much.
That's a punish.
So yeah, I think that's Magitora's canon. You know, he has to wake up DP. EX.
Yeah, it has to be. It is written in the sacred texts.
Those are the rules. Garoken.
Here we go. Taunting with Dan.
What else could it be? So Magitora's spacing with fireballs.
Yeah, he's playing a very patient game with Dan. But Atomic Nogi just... I don't care. I'm just running to you.
Oh, there was the infinite.
Oh,
Ooh.
did he try it?
Almost.
Did he try it?
I think it was trying it. Oh,
Wake up CA, the classic.
he got the Rambo. So one CA left to get to the collective challenge.
Activation! Double activation. Ah, no, not when he has V-Trick active. Into CA, and
Yeah,
that's
the second CA. So we got the dance CA, which is 19.
Oh
and
yeah,
then
I didn't count
yeah.
that.
yeah.
So we
I
did.
got you.
So we did the collective critical art challenge.
Yeah, so it's thanks to Atomic Nogi and Magitora, of course, because those two were pretty consecutive. So the critical art collective challenge is done. Still need the stunts and the perfect.
Shoryuken out of there. Community. Here we go. Okay.
Oh, all alone!
Interesting
To the
interaction.
rescue.
Throws. Magitora has to make up for that life lead. Ooh.
Look at that. Majestic.
Majestic. Okay, in the corner.
Okay, he's trying. That's really difficult now. Problem is, it's very depend on the distance.
Oh, I think he tried to enter here. Atomic Nogi with a clean 3-0. But shoutouts to Magitora for trying the Dan Infinite.
Again, it's not very obvious to do so, especially in a match. It's very difficult because it's depending on the distance. I know that one way to set it up in training mode. I only know for training mode because I tried it yesterday. It's doing a heavy tatsu at full screen. If you do that, then you are at the exact same, at the wanted distance. So we see no changes in the single challenges. We still have to interrupt 5 V shifts and perform the Dan Infinite.
Oh, that's gonna be
But
tough.
there was a change in the collective challenges. We got the critical arts.
Yep. So from this point on, it's just critical arts for fun. We're gonna keep counting.
Yes.
And we're gonna see how many more we can do. We have 10 minutes left, I think.
I believe, yes, it was 2014 when we started, so yeah.
As
Yeah,
we
get
got
confirmation
confirmation.
from
Yeah. So it's
10 minutes left.
Atomic Nogi against Arcturus.
Change the names.
I'm on it, boy.
Arcturus on the right side, player 2 side. Rocking the Scalomania outfit for G.
Again.
And Atomic Nogi
Oh,
on player 1
I
side.
hope we get stage. We get the stage music.
Which stage music?
Balrog.
Oh, I love that.
No.
No.
No, we get.
What is it? What music is that?
Round 1. Fight.
I have no idea what.
Oh, I think it's a Nash. It's a Nash song from the story mode.
Ah, okay.
So I have music. I have it set up to select randomly any character song. That's why we heard the Nostalgia Chun-Li song when Kevin was playing Chun-Li.
Ah, I see.
So it can be any character song, or it's the stage song. So the game picks one of them randomly.
There was a reshift from Arcturus right now, but
There wasn't.
it was interrupted, right?
No. I think not.
Did look like it. Poke, poke, poke.
Neutral jumps. Look at them footsies though.
That's plus. He always goes for the grab.
Oh,
watch out for-
activation.
Nice.
Dash forward low. V-shift. Dash forward low. You do a dash forward low, I can do that too.
No, you.
Crush counter, sweep. Dash up, act into level. Another level up. Now Actor is sitting at maximum presidency. Look at them fireballs. So good at level 2.
Wall bounce.
Yeah, wall bounce. That's the thing. At level 2, the dash punches, they do a wall bounce. The fireball has 2 hits and they're big as fuck. So level 2 G, you do not want to let him get level 2. Alright, Atomic Nogi. Nope, not quite. I was gonna say he's trying to make up for the life leads, but nah, Arcturus has different ideas.
Nice.
And the level for Arcturus. Full screen? No. Oh no, that's a bad confirm. And
again,
no you. He's getting a no you. He played that reversal Uno card.
So we are exceeding the required.
We're going plus ultra.
Yeah. 21 out of 20.
Alright, Arcturus, full presidency. Tried to go for the command grab, but it was too far away. Nash taking that meter and a level away from Arcturus. Activation. That big ball plasma, it's hard to jump over.
Round 4. Fight.
Rounds outside. Okay, Arcturus trying to get away from the corner. Oh, the side
nice.
switch. Atomic. Oh, that was bad. That's 2 hits. It's like an EXCP from the Shotos. It's 2 times. Oh, and level. Here we go.
Nice crush counter. The backhand.
Yeah, Arcturus has the meter to end it right now. Activation.
Oh, a bit too late.
He could have C8 there, I think, to enter. Yeah.
Oh, we could have.
Here we go. Oh, that. Atomic Nogi has to be careful because Actors. Here we go. CA.
No.
Here we go.
Nice.
That's what I wanted to say actually. Atomic has to be careful because Actors can CA at any moment, and I didn't even have a chance to say it. That was a nice CA.
Yeah, really
Nice
really
punish
from
right
Actros.
there.
Damn, Nogi was really close, really close. But yeah, Actros said nah. Eat the finger.
He said, Acta no.
Acta nah.
Nah, man, I'm good. TA.
So we
Power
still,
to
we
the
still
ass.
have like 4 minutes. I think that should be the last.
That might be the last one.
Again, confirmation from Rod. Yeah, that's the last match.
Alright, so
So I don't think we get like 11 stunts and 9 perfects in this match, but
that might be a bit difficult, boss.
yeah. I mean,
I have to say though, I think we're ending the session like we started. Arcturus versus Kevin 3.
that's true.
I think we started
So-
with that one.
I believe so. I know that Nogi was supposed to be the first, but he went on a break. He went and got some water or something.
Yeah, but Kevin, look at that.
Oh, trying the Dan.
He's going
Yes,
for
last-
Dan.
Does he know? But he had some time to look it up. And I told you how to.
Kevin's like sitting there.
this.
Nah, I'm not letting Magintora getting 2 challenges. I'm getting the other one.
I mean, Majitora already has 2 challenges.
Yeah, but he's saying it's not gonna be the only one with 2 challenges
That's true.
because he did kill Magintora to not get the life lead, I think.
Yeah, that's true.
And Arcturus working on that G meter maximum president. No Oki, wake up jabs. Oh, that was too early.
A bit too early, yeah.
Oh, nice buffer there. Nice Shoryuken, that was nice DP. Gets thrown into the corner. Oh, the wake
Again,
up
the Kevin.
low CA.
Kevin special, single hit CA.
Damn, son.
Which brings us to 23 critical out of this event. Nice,
There
getting
we go,
with the
around.
grab. I like the grab animation. Like when he's struggling to
Struggling
knock you
to
down.
yeah.
Nice. Oh, is he plus after that?
He can cancel any button into V skill 2,
Ah, okay.
even heavies. Alright, Actor is sitting at maximum precedence. He's gonna. I wanted to say he's gonna command grab, but not at that range.
Maybe forgot to dash. Or the dashing came
I mean,
out.
it happens. It happens.
It happens to the best of us.
Meaties, but
Oh,
no.
he tried.
There we go. Here we go. Oh, he tried.
Oh, he tried. I mean, if he had one loop. Oh, he tried to hit it, man. Oh, Rambo.
Oh.
No, no Rambo.
Did he think that was an anti-SCA?
Maybe.
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
it is in King of Fighters, but. Okay. Never saw that winning animation, but. Nice.
Okay, in the corner. He's getting in the corner. Okay, let's see.
He wants.
Here we go. No! Here we go.
No, okay. But
Stun?
he gets
a stun?
at least.
No! No stun!
No!
That's not enough for stun anymore.
He tried.
Oh, wake up, CA! No. Oh! He let go of the back button. Oh, so I'm gonna. Should I count that?
Yes. It landed. Come on, grab. No.
Is Kevin losing to get another round?
Maybe.
Oh no, no, no! Surprise CA out of nowhere!
Oh, random CA. Well, not quite random, but yeah.
Just sitting
Surprise
there,
CA,
just sitting there all round doing nothing, and then CA out of nowhere.
I thought he was going to lose that on purpose because he wanted to try the infinite again. Nice, Mr. Karate wins.
And that's another CA that I have to count.
Yeah, 25 out of 20.
So we have 25 CAs.
So yeah, with this match, that was the last one for the event. I think we were. I forget the infinite. Yeah, it's quite difficult. But I mean, you had it quite. You had the beginning. But yeah, it's really difficult one. I mean, there has to be some difficult challenges, right? So yeah, with that we can finish the event. It's already been 2 hours, and if you look at the Fighting Corner single challenges, we see that we have 2 challenges that haven't been completed, but 5 of them have been completed from Magintora, winning with a Magic Pixel. Actorus won with a chip damage. Atomic Nogi was really the only one that consistently used V-Breaks, so yeah, he was the one that completed the 5 V-Breaks challenge. Interrupting V-Shifts, nobody did that. I mean, just Actorus came close with 2. The closest with 2. Magintora cleared another challenge, which was winning by timeout. Nobody performed the Dan Infinite. I mean, it was a pretty difficult one. I think out of the 7, this was the most difficult one. And Kevin is Free is the one who got the secret challenge, which was winning with 11. And if we can see the collective challenges, I mean, yeah, with the overlay, we see that only the critical arts have been cleared. We only have 4 stunts out of 15, which is it can also be a good sign, you know, saying that okay, they don't get stunned that easily. And,
yeah, our players are the Luxembourg FGC has leveled up, so we cannot put the stuns that high.
Yeah, it's not easy to stun us. Yeah, that's the data I get from that. And perfects, we only had 1 perfect this evening. I wanted to go with 10. I mean, it could have been more realistic if I went with 5 at least. But yeah, either way, 1 perfect out of 10 in this event now. Abuse the system? Yeah, no. I mean, Nogi, those V breaks were on point. I'm quite happy to see that. So yes, with that we can finish the event. I mean, afterwards we can always stream some casual matches. Maybe you can play a bit Sulfura if you want.
Maybe, who knows?
Maybe. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, it's something really new we wanted to do. Feel free to give us feedback because well, it's the first time. I mean,
it's the first time. Please be gentle.
Yeah. I mean, any kind of feedback. I mean, even some small things like the overlays or the way we handle things, the voice lobbies, the stream, everything. The challenges, are they too much, too little, too easy, too difficult? Every comment is appreciated. Then yeah, I would say we go on a break. like 5 minutes, so we're gonna stop the stream for now. And then we come back. We can maybe choose which game we're gonna play. It doesn't have to be Street Fighter. It depends. But I mean, we can stick to Street Fighter at the beginning. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Any closing words, Sulfura?
Actually, I think those challenges ended up being more hype than I thought they would. Especially
You
with
had
that
doubts?
timeout. That timeout at the end was like, oh man, both players know what they're doing. They want that challenge. That was hype.
Yeah, Magitora is saying he was the one who did the perfect. Yes, it's you.
He's claiming
It's
another
Magitora.
challenge for himself.
Yeah. Should have done 10. But yeah. Yeah, I mean the timeout challenge was really great because it was so close. I mean timeouts are always hype in fighting games. That's for sure. That's why I wanted to include. But I was kind of skeptical with the timeout challenge. I have to say. But I'm glad that it turned out well. So yeah, that's it for me. I think I can thank all of the guys that participated. Thank you to Rod, who is handling the voice chat in the Discord, and yeah, thanks to you, Sulfura, for the stream and for co-commentating. And we'll see you guys on the next. I mean, we're surely gonna do another one now. I mean, it's safe to say that. I mean, I had fun today, so next month in the next online gaming cafe, we can see fighting corner trials coming back. So yeah, with that being said, good evening. We're gonna continue with the casuals right after that.
So I'm just gonna end the stream here so we can clip it later. But it's gonna restart soon enough.
Okay, bye guys.
All right, bye.